Guess what? It's double the trouble.
That's for sure.
Double the trouble here on Ozarks Live. Will Worsham and Bruce Porter join us now for a look at estate planning. And I know, because we've talked to both of you, your joint sessions that you're doing have been hugely popular.
They really have.
Is it just because the charisma and your personality that just draws people in?
Honestly, here's what I think. I think we're giving people an opportunity to get some answers easily, quickly, for no charge to some basic estate planning questions that everybody has. And we just make it really simple for people. And they come in and they have some cookies sometimes, and they get to listen to Bruce for a little bit, and they get to listen to me for a little bit. Right. And then just by participating in that process, they're going to get some free time with Bruce. They're going to get some free time with me to talk about their estate plan. So
I didn't realize it was free.
Oh yeah, it's free.
Oh, hell,
it's completely free.
How about that?
No wonder.
Yeah, at some point, if you want to get some work done, there'll be some charges involved.
But I think that
well,
takes
it's
away
valuable
the fear.
information. That's what people want. They would like a comfortable place to go sit down. Feel free to sit there and listen to information, take it all in, and then feel comfortable asking a question that otherwise they might think is stupid.
Right.
Well, with us, you can ask that question, and you're going to get an answer. You're not going to get somebody talking over your head, right?
See, that's why I like, because I'm known for asking stupid questions, because I don't know much. You guys are so smart to me. It's like a question I would have was, on these sessions, what do I need to bring? Do I need to bring anything? A checkbook? Do I need to bring a balance statement?
Absolutely not a checkbook. No, you don't need to bring anything. No, not to these workshops. Just bring yourself and kind of an open mind, because realistically a lot of people come into estate planning with a lot of wrong ideas. You know, they've heard things from somebody or somebody else, or this is what you need, or that's what you need. And one of the really useful things I think we do is we kind of clear the decks for people in that workshop, so that they then can see all the opportunities and possibilities that are part of estate planning. And the idea of focusing on goals is something that I think that both Bruce and I are really focused on. It's not so much about the documents or this product or that product or this thing. It's about, what do you want to happen? What are our goals? You know, and it's protecting our family, primarily protecting our values. And so we show people the opportunities to do that in a really easy way. And I'm actually extremely proud of the process that we've created together. It's unique. There's just nothing like it, certainly in this part of the country, maybe anywhere. The way that you walk through the process through both of us to make sure that your financial plans are sound and that your estate plan is protected and achieving your goals as well.
That was a great move. You guys, did you meet on this show?
We did.
That's so cool. Now, just notice, they're dressing alike, too, now.
Yes, you are. We're rubbing off on each other.
How many people do you have in these groups?
Usually we keep the group around 15 to 20 people, and we do that on purpose, because I don't want a huge group. I want people to be comfortable. I don't want an overcrowded group. We can always plan another workshop. We have plenty of space, plenty of time to do that. But right now, every third Tuesday is pretty much the schedule. Now, the one coming up in October here is on the 23rd at 6 o'clock at the office right over on Kingsley, 1304 East Kingsley. And I think we got some spots left, 5 or 6 spots left for that one.
For the 23rd, so they can still book for the 23rd.
They can. They generally fill up usually the week before we have to start turning people away. And that's fine. We're going to have another one, I believe, in December.
Yeah, we're going to have to skip November because I'm going to be out of the country.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Because I was thinking you guys could go on the road and do this. It's good information for
China's
people.
a little far.
China's a little far for you,
Also, another question. How long are the sessions? How long is the time commitment?
We're not going to ask for more than about 30 minutes of your time for this.
So it's free, you're getting great advice, and it's only about 30 minutes?
And usually some good cookies.
Oh, that's great.
That's worth it. And you get to talk to Will and Bruce.